Good morning, YouTube. It's Friday, September 21st, and new Apple products just arrived. I just got these deliveries. This is the watch. This is the phone, the XS Max. I shouldn't be that excited about this phone. It's an S cycle for Apple, but I really am because of the new silicone, the bigger screen, and I'm so excited to play with this camera. Let's open the box. Yeah, look at that. So there's the very familiar packaging by now with the wallpaper of the globe. This is a typical iPhone box. iPhone XS Max, AirPods, lightning cable, blah blah. This is the iPhone X Max Gold 256 gigabyte model. Okay, let me remove the packaging. Okay, and now I am going to see the phone for the very first time. Designed by Apple in California. We've seen all that before. Whoa! And there it is. There is the actual device. The rest of the box looks the same as it's looked for a very long time. Wow! Black and gold. Pretty happy about that. I'm gonna take off the plastic. Wow, look at the back. Damn. This is one hell of a nice looking phone. Jeez. Wow. Whew. This thing looks crazy. I'm so taken aback by how this looks. This looks like jewelry. This is one hell of a nice looking phone. Wow. Okay, my SIM card is in. I'm gonna set it up quickly now. English, Canada. Set up manually. It's hard to show this gold on camera, I think. But it sure looks nice. Wow. Look at this. Compared to an iPhone X looks immediately feels so small. Wow. See, an X has 6 holes for a speaker grill on this side and 6 on this side. The XS Max, it's 3 plus 3, 6, 7 on this side and 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. And that is because of this antenna line. Antenna lines are matching on that side. Matches an X pretty good on the cameras look pretty similar. That was pretty fast. First. Second Face ID complete. Face ID set up now. Feels heavier, thicker than a Pixel 2 XL. It feels slim and lighter, but it's taller. So this is actually shorter than a Pixel 2 XL. Interesting. Okay, so I've finished setting up the iPhone here, and now I'm gonna go play with it and see what this thing is like. Okay. Wow, look how big those numbers look. That looks ridiculous. Why are the numbers so big?